Hi guys, welcome to Apriagon. Today's video we're gonna make this plate in our Solidworks. So let's get started. So open our Solidworks, click to part, then in drop down change it to the mmgs unit. So we're gonna start making the geometry in our front plane. So click front plane and click sketch, then go to sketch drop down and click midpoint line, click to origin and draw like this. We don't need to specify any dimension in this time. We're gonna use smart dimension, so click here, then it automatically changed to line. Click like this and press enter or select. Then go to smart dimension, click this line and give it a 400 unit. Now go to here, these two line degrees is 110, enter, and the distance between these two lines is 35 only. Enter 35 and press enter. You could see all the dimensions are in mm because we changed it to the unit in millimeter. Then in smart dimension we need to specify this line. To click this line and give it a 30, or you can give 35 also. So like this, close the dialog box. Now we need to mirror this type line in this side. So go to line and get a center line, in origin draw like this. It should be in horizontal relation. If you insist, comment down below. We could make the relation video specially for that. And then go to mirror entities. Click here. In the mirror entities to mirror, click these two lines, and the mirror about, click this line and press OK. Then go to offset entities, click here, and in perimeter give it 4 mm. Then click the geometry and you could see this type of preview. Now we need to some changes from that. Click cap ends, it will cap this end positions. So click cap ends. Then you see this chooses arcs. If you choose line, this automatically create a straight line from this point to this point. We need arc for that this time. So click arc, then press OK. And we could see a plate shape like this, cross-sectional set. Now we need to some changes for that. So go to line tool, click this point and this point. Then also line tool, click this point and also this point. Press OK or enter. Now we need to extrude this part. So don't need to go back. We can choose extrude feature from this drop down. This extrude boss base, click here, and this extrude boss base you should in the sketch plane. The sketch plane is the plane from where the drawing start, we start it from front plane, so it is in sketch plane. In bind condition, give it the parameter of 400. So click this and give is 400 mm. Don't need to drift, but in select counter, click here and click this part, this geometry with specifically this line that closed this geometry. So click here and it will draw like this, but we need to in mid plane for that. So in bind condition, click here and go to mid plane, and we could see this type of geometry from here. But in sketch plane, we could see this region is created, but this region is divided. So click this region also, it will create the plate fully. You need to specify this very important part of this and press OK, and we could see the plate. If you turn off real graphics, then we could see this type of plate. Now we need to give it a border shape like we could see in picture. So now we need to fillet these 4 edges of this plate. So go to fillet option, then click on this constant size fillet. If you hover that constant size fillet, and in this fillet perimeter, give it the radius of 70 mm in, and don't change this. And these items to fillet, carefully select this edge, this edge, this edge, and also this edge. We can see the preview. If you not see any preview in your desktop, so click in this checkbox and check this portion full preview option, then click OK, and we could see this type of plate. Now click this bottom position of the plate. You could see this is the bottom position of the plate. Click this bottom position of the plate and go to sketch. Now click this plate surface and go to convert entities. It will convert these edges in our sketch. That's all. In this sketch we don't need any modification. Then click enter. Now we need a special case of swipe boss base. So first go to front plane and give it a sketch option. In this front plane, click convert entities, then go to this drop down, click here and go to this sketch option and right click it and click show. In this drop down you could see the previous drawing we have made. In this entity to convert, click this line says like this and also this arc. Don't check this select chain option. If it checked it, click and unchecked it. Don't click the linear loops. After selecting this, click right and it will convert this drawing only. Then click enter or exit from this. Now go to swipe boss base, click here. In this drop down, you could see sketch profile, circular profile. In this video, we will use sketch profile only. Don't click circular profile. If you defaultly open, then click sketch profile. Then in here, it is called profile. In this profile, click one more time and then drop down, click this sketch, sketch 3, or this sketch only, click sketch 3. Then this is called path. In path, click sketch 2 and you could see the preview. If you don't see any preview, click curvature to display and click mesh preview if you insist for mesh preview. Then click OK and we could get this plate, but we need some fillet on this plate. For doing that, go to fillet option and click constant fillet. Then in this fillet parameter, click it and change it to 10 mm. Then click this circular profile. We could see this edge. Click here and we could see the preview. Then press OK. Also click fillet one more time and click this profile and see the preview. If you change fillet, we would change from here. If you 15, it will create 15 fillet on this and press OK. And this, we need to this edge of fillet, so click fillet, click this edge and give it a 5 fillet and press enter, and we could see our plate is ready. It is a good practice for our exercise because this swipe boss base features is very important and it will create some difficulty if you generate other type of geometry like this. We should try these kinds of geometry in our exercise. If you insist, you can create extrude card from this in circular profile and it will create vent from that, but we don't need that. We need only the plate. If you change its color or materials of that, you could do in this material position, or you can go this appearance section. We will prefer to go to appearance for now. So click this appearance or ball type feature. Then in this scene says click this appearance and color, and we need the metal, so click this drop down and go to steel, and you could see the different type of steel in this. If we stainless finish stainless steel, click here 2 times, it will give the material, or you can go to this material position, click here and click edit material. You could see carbon steel, analysis steel, iron steel, and it's also elasticity modules, Poisson ratio. If you are a mechanical background, you should know this type of mechanical properties, and if you do some analysis of this material, of this part, we should give it a material from this section, not this section. This section part will be created according to the our material. So if you click stainless annihilated and click apply and click OK, then it will convert the stainless annihilated, and it don't need any glossy. So for now we should click this for our drawing. And if you see this line visible, so click here and click hide. It will automatically hide that, and we could see this type of plate in your SolidWorks. So thank you for this. Goodbye. Take care.